guys, we're going to be unboxing these two Nest Minis. So they're exactly the same, well, almost exactly the same as the Google Home Mini, which is the first generation. This is the second generation. So we're going to do two of them, and then we're going to show how to connect various Google Home Minis and Nest Minis together so they pair up, and how you guys can handle that dynamic. So they do come with this plastic around them. And now we're just going to take them out of the box. And there's one. So there they are, two Google Home Minis. Well, Nest Minis. I keep saying Home Mini because that's what I'm used to. Nest Mini, same thing. It's a product from Google since Google bought out Nest. Now they're rebranding some of their products. So here we're going to see the chargers. Going to see these guys just to get started. And that's about it. So the setup process, I do have a video showing you guys how to set this up. It's all about the app, and then you guys using your Google Home Minis, that's, or Nest Minis, I should keep saying, that's different. Anyways, however, what you guys see right here is exactly what you guys get in the box. There's nothing more. There's manuals and stuff inside here. However, again, I do have a manual video for you guys to know everything about your Nest Minis. And here they are. So let's just turn them around so you guys can see around them. That's how they look. That's just a plug for electricity. That's pretty much it. Then you guys have this to physically turn off. There we go, the microphone, because it's always listening, right? So if you guys don't want it always to be listening, this is the only way to kind of physically or disconnect it. So here they are. They're fairly light. They're small. They look exactly the same as the first generation, except for the back. The back has this slight change on it. So although I'm saying it's exactly the same as the Google Home Mini first generation, there are changes inside the actual mechanics of the Nest Mini. If you guys want to check out the difference between this one and the Google Home Mini, I do have that in my channel. I also have a setup and a review and a long-term review of these guys in action. However, that would be it for this video. It's just a really quick unboxing. There's not much to see when you see these guys, because they're so simple. So you guys can see I'm turning them all the way around, and they're very, very simple. They're pretty lightweight. They don't take up too much room, and they're pretty loud for what they are. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area, and don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.